There is a tribe in the Asian continent where very few people are found suffering from disease. Although it might sound surprising, the matter is really my stories. What is even more surprising is that the average life expectancy of this population has surpassed the world. Many people think that they are one of the healthiest and happiest people in the world. Today we will learn about the famous Hunza tribe of Pakistan, also known by many as Bushru or Hunza code. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more source information, history and travel content. The Hunza tribe lives in the beautiful Hunza Valley in the Gilgit-Baltistan region of northern Pakistan. This region is located in the lap of the Urakrama Mountains. It is a unique example of natural beauty. Snow-capped mountains all around, killer rivers and a serene environment all together make it like a paradise. There are various theories about the region of the Hunzas. Some say they come from Central Asia. Others believe they are native to the Hindu Kush region. However, a popular belief is that they are descendants of the soldiers of Alexander the Great who settled in the region in the 4th century BC. After the partition of India 1947, this region was formerly part of Pakistan. Until then, it had existed as an independent state. The Hunza people know to be one of the longest living people in the world. According to many, their average lifespan is more than 100 years. Some are said to live up to 120 years. Many women are even able to bear children after the age of 16, which is truly amazing. First, their diet. The food of the Hunzas is completely natural. They eat more fish, vegetable, wheat, barley, millet, and specialty dried apricots. Apricot oil is an important part of their diet. Meat and dairy products are consumed in very limited quantities. Secondly, their lifestyle is very active. Living in mountainous areas, they have to do hard physical work every day. Walking, farming, climbing mountains. All of this keeps their bodies active. Third, their mental peace and social life. The Hunza are very happy, cheerful, and socially connected people. They live a stress-free life, which is very important for good health. Many scientists and researchers around the world have studied the Hunzas to unravel this my story. One of them is Robert M.C. Creation, who lived with the Hunzas for a long time. His observations show that diseases like cancer, ulcer, or appendicitis are almost absent there. The Hunza people also have a rich culture. They are hospitable and it is part of their tradition to respect guests. Their traditional dance, music and festival are very vibrant. Religiously, they are mainly followers of Islam, particularly the Shia Islamic sect was followed the Aga Khan. In their society, women and men have equal status, which can be an example for many developed society. Today, the Hunza Valley is a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. A trip here will allow you to enjoy the beautiful natural scenery and get a close look at the lifestyle of these my tourist people. The best time to travel is from April to October. During this time, the weather is pleasant and suitable for traveling. If you go Hunza, you can visit Karimabad, Baltit Fort, Altit Fort, Ettabad Lake, Pashikun and Eagle Nets, which are very people with tourists. All in all, the Hunza tribe is not just a people, it is a story, an inspiration. Their way of life teaches us that being close to nature, eating a balanced diet, and having peace of mind can be the keys to a long and healthy life. Do you think the secret to the longevity of Hunzas is really that simple? Don't forget to let us know in the comment.